Good afternoon to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. And it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this event, the 2019 Oscar M. Lopez Legacy Lecture. What do businesses need to do in the next 2 or 3 years down the line? What needs to be done to be able to address the challenge of climate change?
The Philippines constantly ranks among the world's most vulnerable countries to climate change. The new IPCC report launched last week in Manila shows that especially Philippines must brace itself for more extreme weather and harsher El Niño effects. The impact of climate change is a tangible reality that requires more than just positivity to deal with.
My plea would be for the public and the private to get together on this issue and come up with some programs that can generate the kind of creativity and innovation that you already see in the Philippines, so that Philippines can go from the poster child of vulnerability to a leading global poster for resilience.
In addition to direct corporate engagement, which is part of the Climate Action 100+ initiative, we are expecting growing involvement in engagements with regulatory level and government owners of companies as well, because we realize that this is very particular to the Asian market, which is policy level engagement is much needed.
I wonder what the government is doing to kind of diversify the investment in these types of technologies.
We now have our revised investment priorities plan wherein more incentives are being given for renewable energies, for example, and other resiliency investments required by the country.
We believe that in climate change is overwhelming, but there are very few seminars like this that talk about climate solutions. They have introduced to us new thinking, and we hope that everyone have gained a lot of knowledge from this session, and we hope to see you again in the next Legacy seminar.